Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, remove the cap and dry it thoroughly so you can see the dent clearly. Position the cap open side up on a folded soft cloth to protect the finish. Insert a slightly rounded wooden dowel into the cap mouth until it contacts the dent. The dowel gives internal support and spreads force to avoid cracking. Once set, make sure the cap is stable and that the dowel seats behind the dent. You'll use controlled outward pressure next. You now reshape the metal with light, controlled taps. The why is simple: stainless resists sudden bending, so gentle force prevents splitting. With the dowel braced inside, tap the deepest point first using the rubber mallet, then move outward in concentric patterns to restore dome shape. Make short pauses to inspect symmetry and to adjust dowel position. This prevents overcorrection. If the metal springs back a bit, repeat subtle taps rather than one big hit, and alternate pressure points so the cap once the cap's shape is restored, smooth the interior and edges with fine sandpaper and polish the exterior to remove minor marks. This preserves seal function and appearance. Reinstall the cap and test the fit and leak-free seal to confirm threads align correctly. If the dent resists, you can apply hot, near boiling, water to the cap for 1 minute to relieve work-hardened metal, then repeat light tapping. But be cautious. Extreme heat is unnecessary and can warp.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.